In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the bucket column in Salesforce reporting to set up reporting buckets effectively. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To kick things off, let's navigate to the tabs within Salesforce. Once you're on the main page, you'll want to click on the Reports tab. This is your gateway to either creating new reports or enhancing existing ones. Now, you have an important decision to make. Do you want to start fresh with a new report, or maybe you'd rather open an existing one? It might be opportunities, cases, or any other report type you've previously worked on. For today's example, feel free to choose whichever option aligns with your current needs. Once your report is open or your new report is underway, it's time to enter edit mode. This is the playground where you gain the freedom to adjust and modify your report according to your specific preferences and requirements. With your report in edit mode, let's shift our focus to the Columns panel. This area is crucial as it showcases all the fields included in your report. Here, you will identify the particular field that you want to group by using the bucket column. Think of common fields like amount, stage, or region. These are perfect candidates when you need data to be aggregated or categorized neatly. Once you've pinpointed the field you'd like to bucket, look for a small drop-down arrow adjacent to it. Click on this arrow to unveil more options. Among these choices, you'll see the option to bucket this column. By selecting this, you're opening the Bucket Column Editor, which becomes your workspace for creating meaningful groups within your data. The first order of business in this editor is to assign a name to your new bucket field. Choose a name that appropriately reflects the data you intend to group, such as stage category if you're bucketing by sales stages. After christening your bucket field, you need to decide on your grouping criteria. Peruse through your field options and pick out the specific values you want to bring together. These selections will serve as the foundation of your reporting buckets, allowing for a more organized view of your data. When you're satisfied with your selections and how your buckets are set up, you'll click on Apply. This action solidifies your choices and integrates the bucket column seamlessly into your report. From here, you'll know that your bucket column behaves just like any standard field would. This means you can group your rows by this column, apply filters using your bucket values, and even incorporate them into charts, enhancing your data visualization capabilities. And there you have it. You've successfully created and utilized a bucket column in Salesforce reporting. With these steps, you're now empowered to categorize your report data more efficiently, making it easier to derive deeper insights and present your findings with clarity. Thanks for joining in today, and happy reporting.